Today, we will be taking a closer look at the STGAubron Gaming Desktop PC, a powerhouse designed for gamers, streamers, and creators who need speed and reliability. If you are curious about the latest price or want to purchase it today, make sure to check the link to this gaming desktop in the description below. This PC is built with an Intel Core i7 8th Gen processor that can turbo boost up to 4.1 GHz, making multitasking and heavy gaming smoother than ever. Paired with 16 GB of DDR4 memory, you can run multiple applications at the same time without any lag, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing videos. The NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super 6G ensures crisp graphics and stable FPS in popular titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, Elden Ring, and more, so you'll always experience immersive visuals. Storage won't be an issue thanks to the 512GB SSD, providing rapid boot times and quick game load speeds. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, giving you a modern interface and access to the latest productivity and gaming features. Connectivity is solid with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, multiple display ports, and RGB fans for optimal cooling and style. While this desktop is a gaming beast, it's also excellent for video editing, streaming, studying, or even home business tasks, making it versatile beyond just gaming. The included RGB gaming keyboard and mouse add to the setup, and STGAubron offers free lifetime tech support with 1-year parts and labor coverage. If performance, graphics, and speed are your priorities, this desktop is worth checking out. Don't miss the opportunity to upgrade your gaming or work experience today. Click the link in the description below to grab your STGAubron Gaming Desktop and get ready to enjoy unmatched performance and style.